How to switch to a creator account on Instagram. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the profile page. Click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. Once you're in this page, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Now different sections will appear. Scroll down. Head over to the section for professionals. Under that, you will find the option of account type and tools. Click on it. Now navigate to the option Switch to Personal Account. Click on Next. What best describes you? Select it. Then click on Switch to Professional Account. Click on OK. What type of professional are you, creator or business? Select the option of creator and click on Next. Set up your professional account. You have to complete these steps. With that, you'll be good to go. Now you can navigate to your profile page. You have just converted your account to the creator account. So this way you are able to switch your Instagram account to a creator account. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.